Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Today is time to talk about Sunrise on page 11 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 3. Sunrise is a big challenge for many students, especially for those that want to learn properly and apply all the different dynamics. In Sunrise you're learning even two more signs, the new expression marks Crescendo and Diminuendo. What does it mean, crescendo? Crescendo means gradual increase in tone, and diminuendo means a gradual decrease in tone. Remember always that at the end of Thompson Part 3 you have the glossary where the majority of the Italian expressions are all of them explained. Yeah, there is the sign, there is the Italian word, and there is the English expression. Crescendo and diminuendo. Try to discover the notes first. Study first right hand, then left hand, then slowly hands together. As soon as you have got the hands together, my advice is the one of studying the sound starting from the piano. So you have noticed that you have mezzo piano in the beginning of the Sunrise. The piano legato, legato means smooth. Then mezzo forte, then you have the piano. Piano is the softest one, even though in this piece you should reach something like pianissimo with 2 or with 3 P's. But anyways, let's talk about pianissimo maybe with 2 P's. I don't want to start indeed from the softest one, that will be the one in the last bar, but at least let's start from piano. Piano has to be anyways heard by everybody. So the sound in the beginning of the second line could be this one. Mezzo piano. Now I can proceed with the mezzo forte. I do again the mezzo piano, then the mezzo forte. Let's see. I hope you agree that the difference is quite big. Again now, piano, mezzo piano and mezzo forte. After that, obviously, we will start playing the whole one. So, piano, mezzo piano, mezzo forte. Obviously, it's possible even more. Now, I think that I can proceed playing slowly Sunrise, and then I will play again at a very interesting speed. Obviously, at the end, we will talk about these complicated signs, and especially we'll talk about the last 2 bars that are a very interesting moment of this piece. I'm counting 1 and 2 and 3, and why? Because we have half count notes in the beginning of the last line. So 1 and 2 and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3, and... Et voilà. Now, before playing faster, this one, slightly faster, because anyways it's andantino, And andantino, let's repeat, that means in English slow, but not as slow as andante. Andante is definitely slow. Andantino a bit faster, slightly faster. Now, time to talk about what I do here in this crescendo and diminuendo. Obviously, according to the explanation, means a gradual increase in tone. In tone, we have to intend in sound, in terms of sound, yeah? In a very practical way, we can say that you have to push step by step a bit more. So the first note will be still piano, the second one imagine a kind of mezzo piano, the third one you can imagine a mezzo forte. I'm making it really simple, yeah, to help you because it's the first time. And then you confirm the sound in the beginning of the following bar, playing the chord. It's obvious that even though there is this diminuendo, you can't do that much. The sound, obviously remember that the piano sound has the natural tendency of dying, of reducing itself. So as soon as I play a chord, yeah, you see that it's automatic, that it disappears, the sound. It disappears step by step, slowly, slowly, until it doesn't, exist anymore. What about the third last bar and the last two ones? Here, obviously, again, same thing. You start from piano. The first note of this fourth bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth bar will be still piano. Mezzo piano, you can consider the second one. And then you try to play kind of piano, obviously less than this one, because it's in between them. You see, this diminuendo. It's very complicated. I mean, Thompson used a very complicated example. The tricky part is this, for me. You know why? Because I think that if he wanted a continuous diminuendo, he wouldn't maybe mention piano here. He would definitely go up to the end. This piano here, and then the following diminuendo, what could maybe mean? This is my idea, my interpretation, yeah? You might maybe raise slightly 1 second the sound here in the beginning of the diminuendo, so kind of mezzo piano. You inflate again a little bit the sound, you raise a little bit the sound again. In this way you have enough run, especially because you're just starting now, you have enough run to go down. You can consider this one mezzo piano, this one piano, and this one like pianissimo, and then obviously automatically it will the fade out will be automatic. This is my interpretation, not written anywhere, but I think that is quite logic. It's something that is done many times. It's a kind of very practical trick that comes from experience. So it's better sometime maybe to go back like a little bit in time. It's like when you have to make a big jump. Sometimes you jump from the place where you are, but sometimes you run back just to jump even further, yeah? So you go a little bit back to have a more powerful big bounce, let's say. I'm trying to help you picturing what you can do to improve even more what is possible to be done in this point that is definitely tricky and not that easy, yeah? Anyways, now time to play the whole one slightly faster. I will keep counting in my mind. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. I really hope that it makes sense, that you will find it, easier in this way. I don't think that there is anything else to be mentioned. Simply remember to study single hands first. Do this, plan the sound before you start playing the whole one, and that's it. In case you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me and to comment. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.